Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. And as you can see, this is the homepage of this app. From here you can add payment method and different types of cards. Next, we can manage all of our payment methods. Check full list of participating banks and our recent activity. Then we've got settings when we can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, where you can enable and disable NFC, check if Google Pay is set as your default, if your phone meets security requirements, you can set a screen lock, set payment method, and then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.